Morning, everyone. It's 8:34 on Tuesday. This is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1408. Asia mixed to slightly lower, Europe a little higher. Um, Walmart reports a beat. Um, Stock is trading 137.59, up 4.99, or 3.76%. That, by the way, is what's holding up the Dow. A little while ago, before the housing starts and permits number, which I'll give you in a minute, came out, the Dow was pretty much unchanged to down about 10, while the Nasdaq and the S&P were both lower. Right now, after those numbers, the Dow's down about 40, down about 25 in the Nas, and down about 8 in the S&P. The reason for that is housing starts came in at 1,446,000. That is a decline of 9.6%. Expectations for a decline of about 2%. So that's a huge number. Then we have permits coming in a little bit better than expected, 1,674,000. That's down 1.3%. They were looking for, a little bit of a decline anyway there. But breaking out the numbers on the starts, single family is down 18.8% year over year. That is a huge number, especially when you add in yesterday's number for the builder's sentiment. Now, builder's sentiment is one of those 50 numbers. Above 50 is expansion, below 50 is contraction. They came in at 49, down from 55. So they literally went from positive to negative. And so Redfin came out and said that in July, they had 63,000, we'll just call them reneges, people backing out of sales. And so the builder's comment is, we're lowering prices about 5%, not so much just to get new buyers in the door, but also to avoid these cancellations, and there are plenty. Speaking about cancellations, American Airlines, what a gem. You listen to them, things could not be better. They're talking about buying a bunch of these new supersonic planes to fly from Miami to London in half the time, and yet they canceled 31,000 flights for November. Let's remember, November is Thanksgiving. So as far as I'm concerned, these airlines really suck. We gave them all that money. I don't know what they did with it. They certainly didn't keep staff on. They certainly didn't maintain flight schedules. It's really an abomination. And frankly, now we're talking about flights coming off the books at one of the peak times of the year, and you can count on the fact that that is solely to raise the prices. Okay, so right now the Dow is down 37, Nasdaq is down 34, and the S&P is down about 8. We do have more news coming, but I wanted to get this done. We have industrial production and capacity utilization coming at 9:15. As far as the futures go, they had the oil down last night, back below 88. Right now it's trading 90.06. This just keeps on going, and I believe it will. But the big surprise, or the big focus here, is nat gas, which is currently in Europe selling for $62 a million cubic feet, and here it's $9.13. And this would be, if it closed right where it is now, this would be the highest close since that reversal peak, and getting pretty close to the all-time or not the all time, but the recent high closes around 932. We're 914. Gold is down again. Cotton is up again. It's really on a tear. It is up 492. The normal limit on this is $5, but since it's been limit up for 2 days, they expanded, I believe, by about 50%. So this could actually move $7, and it has absolutely been on fire. Um, you can see we came off this low. First of all, we came off an all-time high at 157, 156, 155.95, and collapsed all the way down to 82 and change. So, almost 100% of the decline. And it only took, this is a daily chart. So, you're only talking about a few months. And now it's consolidated and broken out. This is a pattern that you see in a lot of commodities, which is one of the reasons why I say we are not at peak inflation and things are still going to be tough. But we've had a 50% retracement of the decline from the May highs. Aside from that, not much. Be careful out there. This market is just, it's melting up and it's getting overbought. Have a good one. I'll be back later.